Welcome to your week 1 cardio class. My name is Sarah Kirikoni, Live Free Warrior. Let's begin at the front of the mat. Separate your feet inner hip distance, ground down through both of your feet. And take hands to heart center. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead, and then exhale, hands through heart center. Again, inhale, reach up, breathe in. And exhale, hands through heart center. One more, and then we kick it up. Inhale, reach the arms up, and exhale, hands through heart center. Take a deep breath in, and exhale out all your air. As we add on, sun salutation A, inhale, reach the arms up, and exhale, forward fold. Bend those knees to start. Inhale to a long spine. Plant the hands, step back, plank position. Hold here, 3, 2, 1, shift forward, lower all the way down towards the floor. Inhale, come to a back bend, take an inhale, and then press back, downward facing dog. We'll pick up the pace as we go, but for now, warm the body up. Deep breath in, full exhale. Look forward, step your feet, front of the mat. Inhale to extend, and exhale, folding. Inhale, rise all the way up, and exhale, hands to heart center. Now we pick up the pace a little bit. Inhale, reach up, and exhale, forward fold. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale, step back, plank. Inhale, shift forward, and exhale into a low push-up. Upward facing dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Deep breath in, full breath out. Inhale, look forward, step your feet, front of the mat. Inhale, extend the spine, and exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up, arms overhead, and exhale, hands to heart center. Again, inhale, arms up, and exhale, forward fold. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale, plant the hands, step back, shift forward, inhale, low push-up, exhale, upward dog, downward facing dog, exhale. Full breath in, full breath out. Inhale, look forward, step feet, front. Inhale, lengthen, fold all the way, exhale. Inhale, rise up, and exhale, hands to heart center. Come into chair, take the big toes together, bend the knees, reach the arms up overhead. Inhale, lift up a little taller through the chest. And exhale, drop the shoulder blades down away from the back. Keep the chest open, gazes forward. Inhale, full exhale. One more inhale, forward fold, exhale. Inhale, extend. Exhale, step back, high lunge, left foot back. Inhale, arms overhead. And exhale, hands to the mat, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, low push-up. Inhale, upward dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Full breath in, full breath out. Inhale, step left foot forward between the hands, rise, high lunge. And exhale, hands front of the mat, step your right foot up to meet the left. Inhale, extend. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, drop into chair. Inhale, lift up through the chest. Exhale, sink a little deeper. Inhale, fold on the exhale. Inhale to extend. Step the right foot back, this time high lunge. Inhale, arms overhead. And exhale, downward facing dog. Full breath in, full breath out. Inhale, plank. Low push-up, exhale. Upward facing dog to downward facing dog. Step the right foot forward between the hands, high lunge. Reach the arms up. And exhale, hands front of the mat, step your left foot up. Inhale to extend. Folding, exhale. Inhale, rise all the way up. Drop into chair, exhale, 3 full breaths. Inhale, lift up through the chest. Exhale, sink in a little bit deeper. Inhale, and exhaling. Inhale, and exhale, hands to heart. We're gonna twist. Left elbow over the right knee. Inhale, extend the spine, and exhale, twisting to the right. Inhale, 2. Stay low, exhale. One more, inhale, and exhale, twist. Come back to center chair, inhale. Then we twist to the left, right elbow over your left knee. Inhale, extend the spine, and exhale, press the palms, twisting to the left. So each exhale is an opportunity to twist. Exhale, twisting. One more inhale. And exhale, twist. Back to your center, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Should feel body heat moving by now. Inhale, extend the spine. Step your left foot back, high lunge. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hold here. Stay in your lunge, inhale. Coming into three-legged dog, hands to the mat, right leg high. Open up the hips, stacking right over the left. Breathe, inhale. And exhale. Keep your shoulders level so they're square. Inhale. And exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, bring knee to nose. Down dog split, right leg high, inhale. Knee to nose, exhale. Inhale, down dog split. And exhale, knee to nose. Down dog split, inhale. Lower the right leg, exhale. Inhale, shift forward, plank. Exhale, low push-up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog, exhale. Full breath in. Full breath out. Step your left foot forward between the hands. You're gonna twist. Keep the right hand down, left arm high. Inhale, open. And exhale, take your left hand, weave it underneath your left thigh. If you make a circle, like a half circle, inhale, open back up. You should feel it in your core too. Exhale, round. So you round the spine, lifting it up. Inhale, open back up. One more, exhale, rounding. Inhale, open. Left hand lower, step your right foot up to meet the left. Folding on the exhale. Inhale, rise all the way up. Take hands to your heart center, exhale. Take a breath in between. We're doing the other side, but ground. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, arms up to the other side. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to extend. Step the right foot back. Inhale, high lunge. Again, ground here. Coming to three-legged dog, remember. Inhale, lift on up. And exhale, hands to the mat. Left leg high. Stacking your left hip over the right now. 3 breaths in. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, knee to nose. Shift into a plank. Inhale, down dog split. So now the left leg is straight. And exhale, 2, knee to nose. Inhale, extend leg. One more, exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend the left leg high. Downward facing dog. Inhale, shift to plank. Low push-up, exhale. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog, exhale. Right step between the hands. They set up in that twist, that sneak attack core twist. Right arm reaches up high, inhale. And then take the right hand, you're weaving it underneath the right thigh. Again, pull up through the navel. Inhale, open back up. And exhale, 2, weave it under. Inhale, open. And one more, exhale, weave it under. Inhale, open back up. Right hand lower, step your left foot up to meet the right. Inhale, extend. And exhale, forward fold. Rise all the way up, inhale. And exhale, hands to heart center. So grounding down through the right foot, hands to heart center. Bring your left knee in towards your chest. Now we're gonna step back to a high lunge and then stepping the left knee back in, either knee in towards the chest or you can extend your leg. Okay, move with your breath. Inhale. Exhale, step back, high lunge. Inhale. Exhale, knee into chest or front kick. Bring it back in. Step it on back. Full breath in. Exhale, knee in or front kick. Don't worry if you lose your balance, just pick back up. High lunge, inhale. Exhale, draw it in, knee to chest. Front kick, one more. Step it on back, high lunge. Exhale, step it forward, knee into chest or extend. Come back into your high lunge. Hold here. Grab your left wrist with your right hand. Lift up and over to the right. Full breath in. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale back up. Come into warrior 2. So from your warrior two, give yourself a proper setup first. Right ankle aligns with left inner arch. Arms are out straight. Okay, you're gonna lift your right heel away from the mat. And then reverse, inhale. And exhale, come forward, hovering the right elbow above your right knee or your thigh, left arm forward. And we reverse that. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, bring it forward. Inhale, reverse. Forward, exhale. One more inhale, reversing. And exhale, come on forward. Drop your right heel. Stay here or reach your right arm out in front. Holding 3, smile, 2, and 1. Warrior 2, straighten your right leg. Right arm reaches forward, triangle pose. Right hand coming to either your shin or down towards the floor. Left arm extends up. Shoulders are stacking, wrists are stacking. Option, stay here. Option 2, right arm forward. Option 3, left arm forward. For all options, smile. 3, 2, and 1. Rise back up. You're gonna turn your right foot in. Toes in, heels out. Inhale, lift up through the chest. And exhale, bend into your left knee. If you stay high in this one, you're not gonna drop down low. It's more, remember, we're working on strength and cardio. And switch to the right side. Switch, left side. Switch to the right. Keep breathing to the left, to the right, to the left, over to the right, back to the left, to the right. We're switching the other side, to the left. Inhale, straighten back up. You're gonna face warrior 2 to the back of your mat, whichever direction you're facing. Left heel align with your right inner arch. Arms are out, strong, long, and straight. Lift the left heel away from the mat. Take a breath. Now you know the flow. Inhale, reverse it. Next, I'll come forward, elbow to knee, right arm forward. So it's just hovering. Remember, inhale, reverse. Exhale, bring it forward. One more, inhale, reversing. Next, I'll bring it on forward. Stay here. Left arm out in front. 3, drop your left heel. 2, and then 1. Inhale, rise back up, straighten your left leg. Triangle, left arm extending forward, hand to the shin or down towards the floor. Right arm reaches up. Again, option, you stay as you are. Option 2, left arm out in front. Option 3, right arm overhead. It's like you have a beach ball. 2, then 1, rise back up, inhale. Turn the left toes in. Inhale, open. Same as before, bend into your right knee, hands to heart. Inhale, back up. Exhale, bend your left. Inhale, back up. To the right. Back to center. To the left. Inhale, back to center. Over to the right. Back to center. And then over to the left. Rise back up. Shift back to the front of your mat. Step your left foot up to meet the right. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, plant the hands, step, step, or hop back. High push-up to low push-up. Upward dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Right leg extends high, inhale. Knee to nose, exhale. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to nose, 2. One more, inhale, extend the leg. And exhale, knee to nose. Step the right foot between the hands, rise up, high lunge. So we did this before, we're gonna do it again. Hands to heart center, left knee in, or extend the leg. Drop back in, high lunge. So we tie it all in together here. Draw it in, extend, zip it back. One more, exhale, draw it in. Step it on back, high lunge, inhale. Open up warrior 2, exhale. Reverse, inhale. Exhale, come on forward, extended side angle. Inhale, reverse. 2 more. Exhale, extend it forward. One more, inhale, reverse. Exhale, extend it forward. Turn to the long edge of your mat, bend into your left knee. Inhale back to center, and over to the right. Inhale back to center, to the left. Back to center, inhale, and over to the right. Inhale back to center, hands come to the front of your mat, downward facing dog. Inhale, shift forward plank, low push-up, exhale. Upward facing dog, inhale, to downward facing dog, exhale. Take a breath in, full breath out. Left leg high, inhale, knee to nose, exhale. Let's get 2 more of these. Inhale, extend the leg. Knee to nose, exhale. Inhale, lengthen. 1 more, exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend the leg. Step the left foot between the hands, rise up, high lunge. Inhale, arms rise. Hands to heart center, knee into the chest. Extend the leg. Step it on back, inhale. Again, don't worry about the balance too much. Stride in, extend the leg. It helps, but you can always find it. Draw back in, extend the right leg. Step on back, high lunge. And on the exhale, open warrior 2. Ground through the feet. And then reverse, inhale. Next up, bring it on forward. Left elbow to the knee, right arm overhead. Inhale, reverse. Come on forward. Inhale, reversing. Next up, bring it on forward. Inhale, rise back up. Exhale, extend the left leg. Toes turn in. We bend, right knee, left knee, right knee, to the left, over to the right, or back to the front. Hands come to the front of the mat. Step your left foot back. Shift forward, inhale, plank. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shift forward, low push-up. Upward facing dog. Hold here. 1 more, inhale. And exhale, downward facing dog. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Look forward, front of the mat, and slowly walk your way to the front. Inhale to extend. Forward fold, exhale. Bent knees and rise. Ripple your way all the way up to standing, arms up overhead. And exhale, hands to heart center. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath in. Full breath out. This one through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Open the mouth, exhale. 1 more, inhale. Open mouth, exhale.